Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can sharpen an image in RawTherapee. So let's go and do that. Now the first thing what you need to do is head over here to the right side and under the detail tab, right here you will see the sharpening uh, option, so power it on. And now what you can do is contrast threshold here, you can adjust that. Then you have blur radius also available right here. Also the method, you can set radius, threshold you can adjust. Here you have the amount of it. You can also just check the sharpen only edges. So you can set this, or you can also have halo control right here. Now for the radius, basically means how wide the sharpening effect is. Amount is the strength of the effect, and the threshold damping, this prevents sharpening the flat areas. Now for the more, basically if you want the image to look sharper without the halo artifacts of standard sharpening, what we can do is go here to the contrast by detail levels right down here and increase the sliders for level 0 and level 1. These target only the tiniest details. So you can now play here with these sliders. This makes texture like fabric, fur, or stone look incredibly detailed without looking over processed. So if your image looks a bit hazy or soft, you just find here micro contrast right over here, and raising this slider adds local contrast to edges, so making the image look punchier and sharper to the eye. And this is basically all about sharpening an image in RawTherapee. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.